Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Andy, and today we're going to be diving in the world of 1031 exchanges, a very powerful tax-deferred strategy for real estate investors. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button for all your financial tips and insights. Let's get started. So a 1031 exchange, also known as a like-kind exchange, is a tax deferral strategy that real estate investors can use to sell a property and reinvest into a like-kind property to defer the capital gains on the initial sale. The reason why this strategy is named a 1031 exchange is just because it goes off Section 1031 in the Internal Revenue Code. Okay, so now you kind of know what 1031 exchanges are, or really the basics of them. So why should you consider a 1031 exchange as a real estate investor? Here are 3 benefits of a 1031 exchange. 1, you defer capital gains taxes. By reinvesting the proceeds from the sale of a property, you can defer paying capital gain taxes, allowing you to keep more of your profits. 2, you build wealth. By deferring taxes, you can use the full amount of your profits to invest in larger or higher quality properties, potentially increasing your cash flows and your overall wealth. And number 3, portfolio diversification. A 1031 exchange allows you to exchange properties across different markets or asset types, helping you diversify your real estate portfolio. In order to successfully complete a 1031 exchange, you must follow the specific rules and requirements laid out by the code. There are 4 key rules and requirements to successfully complete a 1031 exchange. 1, they must be like-kind properties. The properties involved in the exchange must be of like kind, meaning they must be used for investment or business purposes. This does not mean they have to be the same type of property. Number 2, you have a 45 identification period. After selling your property, you have 45 days to identify up to 3 potential replacement properties. Number 3, you have a 180-day exchange period. You must close on the replacement property within 180 days of selling your original property. And number 4, you must have a use of a qualified intermediary. You must use a qualified intermediary, or known as a QI, to facilitate the exchange and hold the proceeds from the sale until they are used to purchase the replacement property. There are several types of 1031 exchanges that real estate investors can use depending on their specific needs and circumstances. Let's go ahead and take a look at 4 of the most common 1031 exchanges you may come in contact with. Number 1 is the simultaneous exchange. This occurs when the sale of the relinquished property and the purchase of the replacement property happen simultaneously. This type of exchange can be challenging due to the need for precise time. Number 2 is a delayed exchange. This is the most common type of 1031 exchange, where the investor sells the relinquished property and then acquires the replacement property within the 180-day exchange period. Number 3, you have reverse exchanges. In a reverse exchange, the investor acquires the replacement property before selling the relinquished property. This can be beneficial if the investor finds a great investment opportunity but hasn't yet sold their current property. And number 4, you have improvement exchanges, also known as a construction exchange. This type of 1031 exchange allows the investors to use the proceeds from the sale of the relinquished property to improve or build on the replacement property. 1031 exchanges are awesome. I used to prepare taxes for a lot of real estate investors, and they always love the 1031 exchange. I saw the power firsthand. I'm telling you, it's awesome. If you're a real estate investor, you should definitely look into it if you have not already. I mean, just the ability to defer your capital gain tax and keep building wealth, it's just great. And by understanding the rules, the regulations, the different types of exchanges can really help you utilize 1031 exchanges to their full potential. That's it for today's video. Hopefully you learned all that you needed to know about 1031 exchanges. If you found the video helpful, I would really appreciate if you left a like, leave a comment with your thoughts. If you have any additional thoughts or questions, leave them down there. I'll check them out. Don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips and insights. I will see you next video.